Serious? Okay, seriously, for example, Simon and Claire, okay? They both are couples, okay? They are couples, okay? For example, the life that Simon and Claire live, what is life that is full of, let's say, for example, mas maraming ups going siya, okay? More ups than, tama ba? Than down, okay? Sabihin, lagi sila masaya, lagi nilang iniintindi yung bawat isa, lagi sila nagpapasensya, lagi nilang iniisip yung kabutihan ng asawa nila, lagi nilang, they are thoughtful, they are considerate, okay? Especially they are sensitive of the feelings, okay? May pulis na ba siya? Nakikip ko na ba? Namili naman ng care, they are sensitive, okay? Meaning masaya sila. Pag magkasama sila, they enjoy each other's company. Minsan, hindi nagkakatapuan. Okay lang, di ba? Normal. Pero si Van at si Jerry, mas marami downs than ups. Meaning, yung isa sa kanila, lagi nagtatago. Okay? Laging maraming tinatagong lihim. Okay? Laging nagsisinungaling. Kasi nga maraming tinatagong lihim, laging nagsisinungaling. Isa naman nag-aalangan lagi. Hindi na tuloy siya nagtitiwala, di ba? Yung tinatago ko, loko ko. Minsan, gusto niya ng hulihin. Susundan niya, papasundan niya. Magkakalong-talong siya. Oy, nakita mo ba yung mga nakunong sa ano? Kung kasama ko siya? Yung kapatay na inala? Wala naman. Kung mayroong ginagawang kalokohan niya eh. You know, it breeds that kind of relationship, di ba? Hindi lang sa isang tao yun, okay? Dahil meron kang kainahinal. O saan ka magaling? Dyan lang. Okay? Pero si Simon si Claire, nagkukwento pa sa bawat isa. Very open to each other. Lines of communication are very open. Everything is, they can talk about anything under the sun, di ba? Okay? Pati brief nila. I mean, lahat na experience nila. Okay? Simon, kung ano man nangyari sa jeep, okay? Naloko ng ganito, ng ganyan. Very open sila, very candid about things. Bala si Cherry, hindi tinatago. Laging pinag-iinalaan. Okay? And then, eventually, a single act of unfaithfulness, okay, was committed. Sino sa tingin nyo, or kaninong relationship sa tingin nyo, yung ultimately mag-fail? Is it a relationship with Simon Claire, or is it a relationship with Simon Jerry? Why Simon Jerry? Bakit? Hindi ba dapat si Simon Claire? Kasi hindi sila sanay sa gano'ng unfaithfulness. Very good, very good. The relationship of God is what did you say? Alam niyo dati, pag nakakita kami ng ng payat-payat na tao, di ba? Sabihin namin, alam mo, isang bulate na lang pipirma sa'yo. Babasag mo ka naman. Okay? Parang isang bulate na lang. Okay? Isang pako na lang bubunutin, babasag mo kukulas na yung bahay. Kasi napuno na sila. There's no more way to build a relationship again. Talagang nasira na ng sinungalingan, ng lahat. Okay? Kasi lagi nilang ginagawa. Simon and Claire. Wow. Isa lang yan. Kilala kita. Because they're very open. They know each other very well. They can say to each other, Simon, don't worry. I know you are far honest person of what you did, okay? I cannot equate that simple act, hindi naman simple, okay? That act with your whole person. I know it.
Okay, patama to. Tama, ano siya, patama. It takes a lot to achieve a thing.
Kilala mo yun? Kaya mo magawa. Masakit, syempre, hindi ko sinabi out sila, okay? Masakit, pero alam mo, hindi yan yung Simon ang kilala. Okay? Hindi yan yung Simon ang kilala. At may pag-asa pa yan. Mas mapagtatagumpayan nila yung problema kaysa ay para kay teacher. Okay? Nalesa na si Simon ay kipan pala. Sumama. Okay? Or nagkaroon ng relasyon. Okay? Okay, kumagi.
Hindi ko maisip anong connection nun. Okay. No.
That is of course what the fundamental theory is telling us. Okay? That in our relationship with God, this is what happens. Okay? Meaning guys, hindi naman natin minamaliit yung mga kasalanan ginagawa natin, ha? Baka naman pag ganap pa kayo mamaya at nagsinungaling kayo mamaya, sabihin nyo, ito naman, hindi naman yan yung kabuuan ng pagkatao ko. Okay? Patawarin mo lang, ikaw naman, okay lang yan. Ano lang naman yan konting shift, okay? Hindi naman yan radical shift. But you know guys, knowing that, don't you think it's already mortal sin, no? Alam mo na lahat ng ito, ngayon mo pa sasabihin na, hindi mo alam, sorry. Okay? Why with knowledge, that's why knowledge is power. Okay? Now you have the power to direct your life really and fully to God. Now that you know, I hope you turn this into evaluative knowledge. Okay? Responsible use of fundamental option theory says that we look at individual actions in the greater context of the person's fundamental orientation and judging their significance in affecting the person's fundamental orientation. Okay? Again, mortal sin, the condition. In the first place, again and again, papunta ba siya dun sa direksyon ng Diyos? Baka naman hindi. Okay? So we cannot judge. But for us, we use this as a positive guide. Okay? These actions will shift my direction away from God. I will try my best not to commit those actions. Okay? I will try my best not to... Ano pa ba mga kasalanan nyo? Mga lagi yung ginagawa. Anyway, okay? The only responsible way to answer the question, did Van commit a sin? If the responsible answer to that is what? Yes. No. It depends. Okay? Depende. Ano ba nangyari? Ano ba ginawa niya? Ano ba naisip niya? Did he have freedom of self-determination? Did he have sufficient reflection? Was it serious matter? Are you really involved in the act? I mean, nanggaling ba yun sa puso mo? Decision mo ba talaga yun para to turn away from God? Alam mo, gusto mo, alam mo yung fundamental option mo, but still, ginawa mo yan. Alam mo kung anong mangyayari sa relationship mo sa Diyos. Kaya ginawa mo pa rin yan.
Nabupos niya ako.
Bakit mo ginawa yan, ha?
Sabi sa akin.
May pagkakataon pa bumalik. Nagkita tayo na kami. Kaya pa natin bumalik.
Hindi umuwi kami. Ay, ginawa.
We can say that it is objectively wrong if it causes harm to the person or to others. Okay? There are objectively wrong acts. Okay? Never when you see it objectively wrong. Okay? But we cannot say it is a sin yet, or it is mortal sin or venial sin until we consider the degree of involvement of the person in the action. Okay? When the church calls a particular act a mortal sin, di ba meron sinasabi ng simbahan, may tinuturo, oh, this is mortal sin. This is ganyan, venial sin yan, pagka nag-lie ka lang, white lies. Pero pag pumatay ka, mortal sin yan. O sir, paano yun? May sinasabi, may list ng simbahan. The mortal sin, fornication. Fornication? Adultery, of course. These are mortal sins, diba? But of course, the church uses those terms, or the church calls, when the church calls an act or a sin a mortal sin, the designation carries with it the presumption. Only the presumption, okay? Only the presumption that the act was committed with sufficient freedom and evaluative knowledge. When the church calls certain acts in general as mortal sins, it doesn't say that every situation where this act is committed is already a situation of mortal sin. Hindi automatically. Okay? May presumption lang. Na pag ginawa mo na yung bagay na yan, mukhang involved ka. Okay? Fornication, for example. Or adultery. Alam mo naman may asawa ka, hindi ba? May sing-sing ka magpapaalala sa'yo, may pamilya ka magpapaalala sa'yo. Pero gagawin mo ba? Hindi ba? Okay? Makikipag-relasyon ka sa ibang tao, boyfriend, girlfriend mo. Alam mo naman may girlfriend ka. At alam mo namang masama yun. Alam mo namang mali. Kapakilala mo ba sa girlfriend mo na, ay, ito nga pala girlfriend ko din. You don't do that. Pero she knows it's wrong. Hindi ba? There are things, mga taboo. Okay? Masturbation. Do you do that in public places? Do you do it together? No, it's taboo. Because you know, everyone knows it's wrong. Hindi dapat may CR na tayo na pang ganun. Kung moral yun. Hindi ba? We have signs. That's what I mean. Even if people don't tell you that, oh, that's mortal sin. Even if the church doesn't tell you it's mortal sin, you would know. Okay? Pwede ka bang naglalakad dyan sa paliming siya? Binupo ko sa ulo ng baril niya. No, you can't hurt people. Kailan mo gusto? We have signs. Our reason will tell us. Okay? That these things are harmful. Okay? So, gano'n, okay? Pag sinabi ng simbahan that's mortal sin, may presumption. Alam mo naman, malamang yan. Okay? Yung ganyang kabigat na kasalanan, malamang, alam mo na hindi tama. Hindi mo sasabihin, ay, sorry, hindi ko alam na bawal ka lang pumatay dito sa lugar na to. Oh? Hindi mo gano'n. Okay? Kunyari, ay, sorry, bawal pala nakapit. Ano?